Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Last video you guys watched, I took my hair out of the braids that had been in there for 12 centuries. And this is where my hair was at. Today we are going to be washing that hair. So I'm going to be using Sheer Moisture, coconut and hibiscus, Sheer Moisture, Mafura oil, Manuka honey, that one, you know which one. I'm going to be using the shampoo, the conditioner and the hair mask, but first I'm going to go in with the conditioner on majority of my hair. This is how I've been washing my hair these days, where you kind of wash your scalp more than you wash your actual hair. Because I find it can be quite drying for the ends, and this year I kind of want to take care of my ends a lot more than I have last year, or than I was last year. So I'm just going in with my conditioner, and then I'm gonna go in with a hair serum as well in my hair, because I haven't oiled it in a while because it just came out of braids and stuff. So I just want to add a little bit of serum in there and oil as well. I was feeling generous this day. Clearly my hair needed a bit of love and attention, so I decided to put it in. Then I'm going to go in and start massaging all of this goodness into my hair. And I'm going to be using a massage brush to just help massage this into my hair. This works well, especially when your nails are like chipped and stuff, because your nails be pulling your hairs out. So when you have something like this, you're not doing the heavy duty work. So after I had gone and just put the conditioner through, I'm gonna go and put my hair away just to allow it to just relax and have some time to settle. And I'm gonna use my microwave heat bonnet, which is no longer a bonnet because it lost its elastic. So after a couple of hours with that in, I'm gonna go and wash my hair. So I'm gonna take out the bonnet that I had on, take off the shower cap, and just show you what my hair is looking like post hydration. So it's definitely looking a lot softer. The curls have come back, it's retracted back, it's shrunk, and it's looking very good and very healthy. So I'm just going to go and wash that out. Then while I was washing it out, I went in with the shampoo on my roots, but obviously I didn't take you guys in the shampoo. I didn't take you guys in the shower with me. So you didn't see that, but I did shampoo my hair in the shower. So now I'm just reviewing the damage that was caused over the last couple of months, and the length as well. So I'm gonna go in with an oil first, just to oil my hair a little bit. And what I'm going to do today is just a low maintenance flat twist. Now the reason why I'm doing this is, if you know, after you take your hair out, you give your hair a wash, your head will be so sensitive and so sore and throbbing because of all the manipulation that you've done. So this is not the time to be then doing another hairstyle and this. I really don't recommend doing another hairstyle on a day like this, where you need to allow your head to breathe, your head to relax and just recuperate. So what I'm going to go in and do is hydrate my hair, add some Sheer Moisture, a coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, a little bit of contour, and I added some oil before. I'm just going to help to brush out my ends, because they're my problem areas at the moment, because my hair needs a trim. And I'm brushing them out because I'm going to put my hair into a flat twist, low maintenance, just for a couple of days, just to allow my hair to relax. And I'm going to wear this to work as well, because it'll just be easier than having my hair in, you know, a different style. That way your hair is also being stretched while it's in the style that it's in. So I'm just going to flat twist my hair. If you've never flat twisted your hair, it's honestly very easy. The hardest thing is just like the parting of your hair, really, and just making sure it's in the right position, because there's two ways you can flat twist. There's like in and out. So what I used to do most of the time was one would be in and one would be out. So as you can see, me struggling here, having to sort of detangle as I go. This is why it's important to make sure that your hair is already sort of detangled before you start doing it. Now my hair is behaving this way because it needs a trim, and I'll give it a nice trim and some TLC. But look how nice and easy that looks. Your hair will thank you, your head will thank you, your body will thank you. And you just finish it off by doing a normal twist. It's easier than doing like 100 cornrows as well. And also don't forget to hydrate your ends. Add a little bit of extra care and love to the elderly folk, which is your ends. Look at me surprised by my hair. It shocks me sometimes. Next, I'm doing the other section. Now, this is the section that I find the hardest to do, because you have to do the opposite of what you've done so that it matches, so that one is not inside and the other is outside. You'll see what I mean once I start. But I'm going to go in again and just make sure the hair is well moisturized. Comb out the ends so that it's easier to work with. And then I'll begin doing my 2-strand twist. So again, it's really important to just make sure you detangle your ends and you comb out your ends before you start. Otherwise, you'll be struggling for dear life like I was struggling and fighting with your hair. That's why you end up breaking your ends and your hair, because you're trying to fight to break the strands apart. I was really fighting at this point. My weak arms could not handle it. And victory is mine. So this is what my hair looks like. One of the sections is thick. I don't know what happened there, but anyway, I didn't care. My arms were tired. I'm going to go in again with just the leave-in conditioner just to help flatten out the hair before I put it into a bonnet and go to sleep. But yeah, guys, this is honestly what I'd recommend you do to your hair after you take your hair out, to just give your body some time to rest. Ignore my part. It's not parting at all. It's more of just a division more than a part. But that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Mwah.